Today at 7821 Bell Tower Lane here in Fairburn, Georgia, doing a move-out inspection. Home is in great shape. Down along the right side, you notice these long weeds. We do need a final cut on the home on the outside. Along the right side here, there's some damage to the siding due to improper installation. Basically just bashed the nails too far below the surface and broke off some chips. AC is working very well. Some more evidence of damage installation wise. Huge backyard. Back side of the home, nothing to report. Roof appears to be in good shape. Along the right side, left side of home. Again, no findings on this side either. A little bit of damage. Again, around that nail spot due to installation. At the entryway, the roof directly above it, you'll notice a large piece of siding missing there. A 4x4 inch piece. Let's take a look inside. The tenant lived here for 3 years. Throughout the home, we're going to need some minor touch-up. There's no major damage to report at all to the home. There's some settling issues going on. A couple of touch-up spots. We're here in the formal dining room. Heading into the kitchen, passing the pantry on the way. Here above the stove in the kitchen, we're going to see some grease spots. We'll need some touch-up paint there. The backsplash area is a typical finding for need for touch-up. But the home has been kept in great shape. To the left of the back door, it's probably where they had the trash can. We'll need some touch-up. To the right of the back door, this eat-in kitchen shows that it does need some touch-up work. Behind me there's a desk. To the right on those walls, a little bit of touch-up. Some caulk along that countertop there to secure it. And obviously here along the walls some more touch-up paint. Here in the living room, there's an indention, a right wall directly below the thermostat. There's a mark that goes about 6 foot. That was probably the sofa. More need for touch-up. Tenant did say that there's touch-up paint in the attic. He didn't have time to get to it, but he was going to repair these marks himself. This is where the flat screen TV was mounted. That's about the extent of the major repair needed to this home. Everything else looks good. We'll take a peek in the garage, but here's where we're going to see some of those nail pops start showing up. And that's just due to settling, the nails coming through the sheetrock. There is no garage door opener. No signs of abuse or neglect on the walls. A couple of minor marks. He didn't use the garage very much until he just got a new car. But before that, they never even used it. Do we need a little touch-up paint or perhaps some wood putty? fill on the frame. To the right of the toilet, some touch up, as well as to the left and directly under the mirror. Let's head upstairs, take a look. You notice on the wall on the stairs, directly under the stairs, again, more need for a little bit of touch up. Wanted to bring to attention the caulk that's needed under the trim. That's at these handrails on both sides. Needed on the right side as well. So while they're doing touch-up paint out here, if they could add some caulk and go ahead and paint that and make it look a lot better. Top of the stairs, we have the hallway. Some marks there probably from moving out. Some marks over here to the right. Headed to the laundry room. Minor marks here in the laundry room. Some black from the hose. And it looks like some spilled soap on the right side on the wall there. A little bit of damage on the corner. Touch up paint. First bedroom, top of the stairs to the left. Got some marks on the wall. Again, some minor marks. These are not gouges, they're just superficial. Here in the closet. Each bedroom already has the smoke alarm attached to the ceiling within 3 feet. This is our master. Carpet I haven't even brought up yet because it hasn't been an issue here. Obviously there's some discoloration. Again, this home was occupied by the same tenant for 3 years now. For just some of the minor marks. I think they did a good job taking care of it. We do need to change the battery, fix the smoke alarm up there a little bit better. That's directly above the bathroom. It looks like it's hardwired. So we may want to just replace that with the smoke alarm directly above the door. More marks on the wall there. Here in the bathroom, to the right of the sink, got some marks. Touch up. Looks like fingerprints more than anything. No markings on the bathtub or around the bathtub wall. Could probably stand some new caulk along the top of the shower. This walk-in closet just has some minor marks. Bathroom here, toilet, a couple of marks on the wall, that's it. This is the kids' bathroom. Quite a few marks on the wall over here. A magic eraser would probably take off the majority of those marks. That's just the kids leaning in with their hands dirty before hopping in the shower. Into the hall to the right. One of our last 2 bedrooms. Again, we have just a couple of minor marks. Those nail pops are going to be prevalent. Here in a moment, I'll show you some more pictures of those. Even got one on the wall there. Sounds like we could use a battery in that smoke alarm. In our last bedroom, Again, minor marks. Not that much at all in the entire home. So just to summarize, touch up throughout. Repair the nail pops. And a deep clean of the carpet in the master, just where the bed was at between the two windows. But that's basically it. Home is in great shape.